Hello everyone, welcome to Mayank Lawholic. In this video, we will be discussing the 2011 APO paper, and we have already discussed the two previous question papers of APO, that is of 2020 and 2015. It is my humble request, go into the description section. You will find the link of both the papers over there. Now let us proceed from the question number 1. Question number 1. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1 is country and list second is capital. Capital of Belgium is Brussels, Romania, Bucharest, Brazil, Brasilia, and Congo, Brazzaville. Therefore, the correct answer will be option B. Again, the question is of match the following. List 1 is Harappan site and list second is location. Manda is in Jammu and Kashmir. Daimabad is in Maharashtra. Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Rakhigadi is in Haryana. This is one of the important question as per the context of history. The Harappan site and the location, also Indus Valley sites, always in most of the examination is asked. So make through that you have read such kind of questions thoroughly. Question number 3. Rulers of which of the following dynasties issued coins made of lead? Correct answer is Satvahans. Satvahans, from the rulers of Satvahans dynasty, had issued coins which are made up of lead. Question number 4. The Jain council which made a final collection of scriptures. Question number 4. The Jain council which made a final collection of scriptures and reduced them to writings in the 5th-6th century was held at, options are Kundapura, Nalanda, Vallabhi, Vaishali. Correct answer is Vallabhi. Question number 5. Who was the founder of Vikramshila Vishwavidyalaya? Correct answer is Dharmpal. Dharmpal was the founder of Vikramshila Vishwavidyalaya. Question number 6. The Swaraj Party was founded by. It is very easy question. Swaraj Party was founded by Motilal Nehru. Question number 7. Who was responsible for the introduction of English as the official language of India? Options are Lord Macaulay, William Bentinck, Sir Charles Wood, Lord Dalhousie. Correct answer is Sir Charles Wood. Sir Charles Wood was responsible for the introduction of English as official language of India. Question number 8. Who first talked about the economic drain of India during the British rule? It is a very easy question and the correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji gave the theory of economic drain, in which he talked about how the money which should have been spent into India is not being spent in India but reaching to UK. Question number 9. Who among the following urged the British government to accept the responsibility of compulsory primary education? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Firoz Shah Mehta and Dadabhai Naoroji. Correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is also associated with the organization, Servants of India organization, and he is also considered to be the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 10. Who was the founder of Deccan Sabha? Correct answer is M.G. Ranade. M.G. Ranade was the founder of Deccan Sabha. Question number 11. Who among the following was responsible for helping in enactment of Widow Remarriage Act? Options are Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Devendranath Tagore. Correct answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Question number 12. Who among the following founded India League in 1875? Options are Jagannath Shankar Seth, Babu Shishir Kumar Ghosh, G.S. Iyer, Firoz Shah Mehta. Correct answer is Babu Shishir Kumar Ghosh. He founded India League in 1875. Question number 13. What is the name of the national leader who became president, speaker of the Central Legislative Assembly in 1925? Correct answer is Vittal Bhai Patel. Question number 14. Who is the author of A Survey of Indian History? Options are R.C. Mazumdar, D.D. Kosambi, K.M. Panikar, Vincent Smith. K.M. Panikar. R.C. Mazumdar has written a book related to the 1857 revolution. Question number 15. Which of the following sacred Buddhist places was situated on the river Nirjana? Options are Bodh Gaya, Kushinagar, Lumbini, Rishipatan. Correct answer is Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya is the Buddhist place situated on the river Niranjana. Which of the following Ashokan inscription describe the dispatch of religious missionaries to 5 Yavan kingdoms? Options are Rock Edict 3rd, Rock Edict 8th, Rock Edict 10th, Rock Edict 13th. Correct answer is Rock Edict 13. Who excavated the Harappan site at Dholavira? Options are J.P. Joshi, S.R. Rao, R.S. Bisht, S.B. Lal. Correct answer is R.S. Bisht. Question number 18. Alternating current is converted into direct current by rectifier. Question number 19. Which of the following is a genetic disease? Options are beriberi, cancer, color blindness, filaria. genetic disease. Color blindness is the genetic disease. The speed of sound is maximum in options are solid, liquid, gas, vacuum. Correct answer is solids. In solids, the speed of sound will be maximum. Question number 21. Photosynthesis is the process in which light energy is converted into electrical energy, light energy is converted into chemical energy, chemical energy is converted into light energy, electrical energy is converted into light energy. Correct answer is light energy is converted into chemical energy. Question number 22. The chemical compound in the bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Bleaching powder's chemical compound name is calcium oxychloride. The full form of CAT is computerized Excel tomography. Vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron, calcium, iodine, sodium. Vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron. Red color in tomato is due to lycopene. Such kind of questions are asked many times. Red color in tomato is due to, green color in chilies is due to. So you have to make through that you read these questions thoroughly, because it has been asked in various examination of UPPCS and judiciary examination. Make sure you read such kind of questions carefully. Red color in tomato is due to lycopene.